Everyone is here. Let's start dinner. Everyone is here. Let's start dinner. Would you like some more rice? Would you like some more rice? Can you pass me the salad, please? Can you pass me the salad, please? The food tastes really good today. The food tastes really good today. How was school today? How was school today? We had a science test this morning. We had a science test this morning. I also played badminton after class. I also played badminton after class. That sounds like a busy day. That sounds like a busy day. Please eat more. You need energy. Please eat more. You need energy. Scene 10. Don't forget to drink water. Don't forget to drink water. Scene 11. Should we visit the park this weekend? Should we visit the park this weekend? Scene 12. Yes, that would be fun. Yes, that would be fun. Scene 13. I'll help clean the table. I'll help clean the table. Scene 14. Thank you for helping tonight. Thank you for helping tonight. Scene 15. Dinner time with family is always special. Dinner time with family is always special.